Okay, we are live. Mm. I am literally doing this contest on 3 hours of sleep. Is it worth it? Absolutely not. Tharvin Sachin is here. What's up, bro? Hi. Hi. It's cold as fuck in Delhi. Hmm. Hmm. You can delete any number of characters from it. The resulting string is empty and consists of equal characters. The resulting string is non-empty and consists of equal characters. String C zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minimum total relation cost required. Wait, I don't understand this. So you've given s of length n and an integer I cost of the same length where cost I is the cost of length I is greater to s. You may delete any number of characters from s such that the resulting string is non-empty and consists of equal characters. Though I'm shivering right now. Oh, okay. Required. Okay. 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 But then why did he delete B here? You don't want to. and consist of equal characters. Okay, B and C are not equal. Hmm. He could have also deleted B and C. But then it goes, oh, okay, okay. Okay. Hmm. Cos I is 10 raised to 9. And it's 10 raised to 5. So technically, that's just 26 iterations. 10 before int I equals to. Mm, wait. Wait, I wanna see something. There's this give of Z. Gives out Z, okay. If uh, this should actually run. Hmm. What we can do is hmm, total minus solo cost of A. Hmm. And you have product ID of your cost. Product ID of your cost. Equals to total minus ID dot second It is not a structure of union. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. For the first one, we're getting 42. Hmm. Total minus ID dot second. So C is taking up 10. Absolutely. Okay, we don't want max, we want minimum, right? Yeah, I'm stupid. I am stupid. We're still getting an 11. We're still getting a goddamn 11. For A, it's 1, 2, 4 and 1. That's 4, 6, 7, 8. Absolutely. Cost. That total is 42. Long answer equals to answer comment temp minimum. What? Total plus equals to cost. Wait, my logic is correct. Long. Bro, I can't code. M equals to 32 out of 42. 42 is the cost for deleting the entire string. No, it's not. I don't think so. It's 42. Yeah, 42 is a invalid number. Okay, I'm doing it. Stupid asshole. I'm the stupidest guy on this planet. Yep. We're still getting a 21. How, bro? So, okay, we're getting 21 as answer equals to int max. Total minus IT dot second. 11, 18 and 13. Right, 11, 18 and 13. Oh my god, how is it wrong? 335. Oh my fucking god. Okay, that's another case. Why am I getting 21 here, bro? This is not a tough question. So the deletion cost is 0. This is an easy question. So I have hash of C plus equals to, so total out of 11, 18 and 13. Total is 21. Answer equals to int max. Return answer. Oh my god, you're dumb. 11, 13 and 0 case. Yeah, 0 case. Okay, 0 case is also working. Yeah, because it's all the same. I think the logic is correct. Let me submit this. Yeah, I think the logic is correct. 0 and 13, and I was returning the wrong variable, and then I was thinking, was it wrong? Yeah, I don't care. Let me submit it. I'm see outing. And oh my Oh wow. Wow, I got an int overflow. Wow. That's so happy. That's so happy. Wow. That is so happy to think about. I got an int overflow. This is stupid. This is what sleep deprivation does to you, okay? You get stupid overflows. 2192401. What's the answer? 2192401. I got an int overflow. Wow. Okay, so it's all long now. Yep, it's long. There's no way I get a wrong answer now, okay? It's 11, 13, 0, 2192401. Yeah, there's no way I get a wrong answer now. I got an int overflow. Wow. I got an int overflow. Check for overflow in second, bro. I'm stupid. I forgot to check it. And got late submission. 2 by 4 done. 2 wrong. Bro, again, yeah, I forgot about overflow. And the third is hard itself. Okay, I'm ending the stream right now. I'm ending ending the stream right now. Bro, I again. Every goddamn time. 6,000. It's crazy. Why did it have to be like that? 6,000. Now I'll end up with a 8,000 rank in this contest and I'll get a negative rating. Yeah, I'm ending the stream early today. You're given two integer array. Nums and forbidden each of length n. You may perform the following operation any number of times. Choose two distinct index I and j and swap nums I with j. Return the minimum number of swaps required for every index such that for every index I the value of nums I is not equals to hmm hmm okay. Yeah, I don't think so I'll be able to solve this question. Bro, that overflow has pissed me off. Solved two in like 7 minutes with two wrong acceptance again 4k rank. Bro, brute force we need only one highest cost car. I didn't check about the overflow, man. It sucks. What do we do now? So we can swap any two indexes. And what's the length here? It's 10 raised to 5. Each index I, the value of nums I, is not equals to forbidden I. If no one can swap, then ensure that every index return -1 for 655. No swaps are required. Yeah, how do we even go about this question? How do we even go about the third question? Honestly, I'm not even joking. I'm considering to end the stream and go back to sleep. What do you what do you guys think? Should I at least try? Or should I just end the stream right now? My mood is already ruined because of that int overflow. You're given two integer array nums and forbidden. And my brain is not working on top of that. So you don't want it to become 3 to 1. So you want to move 3 out of here and you can't get 1 because 1 already exists. Hmm. Hmm. Bro, I'm totally not in the mood to solve anymore. 4655 4665. Okay, let's take an example and then try to understand. And what's the last question? Try. No, bro. Again, a hard question. You're given an integer n and an undirected tree with n nodes, edges from the S tree is represented by. Okay. You're also given an integer array group of length n where group I denotes the group label assigned to node I. Two nodes u and v are considered part of the same group. Okay. The interaction cost between u and v is defined as the number of edges on the unique path connecting them in a tree. So it's asking us return an integer denoting the sum of interaction costs. Overall, I'm gonna lose a rating today. That sucks, bro, because of that stupid int overflow. Return an integer denoting the sum of interactions cost. Overall unordered pairs. Interaction cost is the number of edges on the unique path connecting them in a tree. Cover return an integer denoting the sum of interactions cost overall unordered pairs uv with u is not equal to v such that group u. Okay, so what is the cost to go from one node to another node within the same group? That's what it's asking us, right? Okay, and this is a undirected tree with no root, so this is almost like, isn't this almost like the goddamn 0102? Okay, with nodes numbered from 0 to 1. Okay, so the root is at 0. Hmm. This kind of still makes more sense than this third question. Same, I got question 1 and question 2 done, but got a shit in between. If you didn't get any penalty, stay happy, enjoy your Sunday, turn off your laptop, go sleep or go have breakfast, bro. Just stay happy. Got a wrong acceptance in second question because of enter overflow. Exactly the same thing. Even though I used long everywhere, but because of some stupid thing, I still got an int overflow. भाई मेरा भी same, no penalty, still 1.9k, bro. That's like the dream rank for me. भाई कितना बुरा हगा, बहुत ज़्यादा bro, बहुत ज़्यादा. And the third question is hard itself. Why do I feel like third is harder than fourth today? How many nodes do we have here? 10 raised to 5. Wait. Yeah, this question actually kind of makes more sense to me. So in this, we'll just store the distance of parent node. Distance of parent node, okay. Distance of parent node. And for the child node, it would be distance of parent node plus 1. Yeah, I think the distance between any two nodes can be written as shortest distance of node 1 from root minus shortest distance of node 2 from root. Would that be correct? Bro, why are you streaming this without code? Shouldn't people don't use my code? Surprisingly, I didn't get a penalty today. I'm jealous. I'm jealous, bro. I'm totally jealous. Good job, third पे हूँ. Yeah, today honestly I don't have no clue about how we're gonna do third. Or maybe even if I could have solved it, but I'm not in the mood. I'm pissed. I'm pissed already. I have slept for 3 hours. I woke up to this bullshit contest and I got a int overflow. That's like the worst, worst possible option that could have happened. Hmm. Node belonging to the same group. ग्रुप 1 में नोड 0 एंड 1 है. ग्रुप 2 में नोड 0 एंड 3 है. For node 2 and 3, it said the distance is hmm okay. I think to find out the distance between any two nodes, you keep going up until they don't have a common parent. When they have a common parent, return the distance of that node from 0 and जितना ऊपर गए उतना plus. What am I even doing? I'm trying to attempt the fourth one. Even though type करके भी 7k पर हूँ. I'm also them. Joined 5 minutes left. For fourth, can we do this joint set? No idea, bro. No idea. Pen gang, penalty gang. Yep, penalty gang. What is my rank? My rank is also 7k, I think. Yeah, it's 7k. My god. My rank is going to go so bad today. My elo would. Look at this. Look at this guy. Kakorek. Kakorek. Like, what does he expect me to react? Does he want me to go gaga over his DSA skills? That he solved all 4 questions in goddamn 4 minutes 25 seconds? Like, bro. Arya. Arya Ijomalai. 3100. And I still don't think he's legit. You can't solve all questions in 4 minutes. Man. Okay, let's think about this question. I'm crying too much today. Hmm. Right, so 4665 and you don't want it to be 4655. So what are the wrong positions first? What are the wrong positions? This is wrong. This is also wrong. And this is wrong, right? So these three are wrong. If you can swap two wrong, then it's the easiest. If you can swap two wrong, then it's the easiest, right? If you have even number of wrongs, then you can simply return wrongs by 2. Because swapping every wrong with each other, you can go like 4, 5, 6, 6. Then how many wrongs do you have? 5, 6, 6. You actually have just one. And that one would be swapped. Oh, wait. Wait. 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, 1. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, 1. So first of all, you just have one. So now here, why does this look so straightforward? What am I missing? भाई GPD करके बैठे हैं सब. Exactly, bro. It doesn't even matter. Can't do shit. Minus 3056 after 2 questions. Solve both in 10 minutes without any wrong acceptance. Man, bro. Vipul, bro, why are you like fucking putting salt on my wounds at this point? Good for you, bro, but I'm jealous. Because see, nobody had issue in their logic. The only reason we got a goddamn penalty is because of some stupid line where I missed to use long instead of int. Time matters long. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Choose two distinct indices. And on top of that, I was wondering why is my logic not returning the right answer? Turns out I was returning the wrong variable. I needed to return answer and I was returning total. I am goddamn stupid. Hmm. Okay, let's try to do this. If yeah, we only have to care about the minus one. I think that is what is going to set us back. So in here, 7, 7 and 8, 7. Let's take this case. Okay, so it's all about minus one. Because otherwise, minus one, it's pretty straightforward. Now in here, this is wrong. And this is wrong. There's only one wrong. Hmm. Oh. Okay, so any number you're swapping, you need to swap it with a different number. With a different number. If you don't have any different number, you return minus one. Because if you swap it with the same number, it's still the same issue. Okay. Bro, those two were really easy. I understand your frustration. You're better than this. Yeah, thank you, bro. Probably because yeah, I'm acting kind of frustrated today. I'm sorry. Hmm. Hmm. No swaps are required because now I'm like, okay, so we have to think about the minus. Bro, what the fuck is this question three exactly? Exactly. It's already like categorized as hard, so that is demotivating already. Hmm. How many? Huh. It was horizontal till second. Why is the difficulty late? Difficulty level is vertical suddenly. Yeah, Namsdotland. I shouldn't have given to this contest. I feel like 7,000. It's only going to get worse from here. How many people have solved this? Take a guess. It has to be 1,000. 688. So that's kind of low, honestly. 30 for 34 minutes. That's kind of low. So this actually seems to be tough. Why am I like more? Why am I like interested more in this tree question? 100 people. How many people have solved this? 300. Okay, so that this seems even tougher. Yeah, it's game over for me today. Yep, it's over for me today. Hmm, bro, same. I'm also looking forward. Bro, will I again get minus? Don't tell me. What is your current rank? I think it's easier than third. Yeah, who the hell made today's third question, bro? What was he smoking? This stupid question. Like I don't think I don't even have a chance at this point. I don't know the approach yet. Same, bro. I'm very inclined in ending the stream and going back to sleep. Every damn time it's this stupid contest that ruins my Sunday. 7787. So the initial thing I thought was you can. Okay, so that's your fifth condition. If everything is wrong, just take out wrong and replace it with other wrong elements that are not the current elements. That are not the current elements. hmm So you can't just do wrong by 2 plus remainder. You can't do that. Wrong by 2 plus remainder, that would work in an ideal case. But this minus 1 case is kind of confusing. So the minus 1 case is basically no matter how much you try, there's always a position that will have that will match your element. Hmm. But what happened to you today? Happened to me in last contest. About to become knight, but worked up in getting minus 6. Yeah, it is very sad and frustrating. Minus 1, we can handle with map. Got a good third fast. Create a map with value to indices. Hmm. Rank is 7065. Bro, the cheating is crazy. Sarthak. Let's look at Sarthak. He started from 1450. Yeah, He's cheating, bro. Let's look at Rahul Gandhi. He's a SD at TC. Yo, is he actually real? So he's solving every question in 30 minutes. You know what? He might actually be legit. Rahul Vijayan. He might actually be legit. Kind of looks like. Two question, zero, two, four, four. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Okay, I think I should focus in here. I don't think so. Nobody knows, bro, at this point. Yeah, choose two indices ing, swap that, return the minimum number of swaps required, such that for every index I is not equal to no number of swaps can ensure that every index avoids its forbidden value to minus 1. Hmm. This position cannot have an 8. So how many options does it have? It has two options. It has two options. Okay. This position cannot have a 7. So how many options it has? It has 0 options. So in here we return the minus 1. Okay. 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 So yeah, I need to think of more cases where the answer is minus 1. These assholes have only given us 1. So we have 7 wrong places. We need to correct them. For every place we'll have some options, right? We'll have some options. If the option for any place is 0, we return minus 1. Option is basically every number except that forbidden number at that place. At this place, we can have any number except 7. But how many numbers do we have except 7 in our original array? 0. So hence we return minus 1 here. Okay? Okay. Okay. Hmm. But minus 1, okay. Yeah, no. What if there is a case wherein you have numbers like 1, 7, 7, 7, okay, and your forbidden is कि सिर्फ एक को डाल सकते हो. इधर आप 7 नहीं रख सकते, इधर भी 7 नहीं रख सकते, इधर भी 7 नहीं रख सकते, हर जगह 7 नहीं रख सकते. अब इधर ये तो रॉन्ग है ही नहीं, इधर ये रॉन्ग है. सो हाउ मेनी ऑप्शंस डू यू हैव फॉर दिस प्लेस? एक ऑप्शन है कि आप 1 को इधर ले आओ, ठीक है ना, 1 को इधर ले आओ. इसके पास भी एक ऑप्शन है, इसके बाद भी एक ऑप्शन है, बट दिस इज स्टिल अ -1 केस क्योंकि वो सब एक ही है. hmm it's still a -1 case. Why video so blurry? Because I'm hiding my code until the contest end. सेकंड वाले की अप्रोच क्या होगी? Just find the total cost minus the cost of one character. That's a vague hint, bro. That's a vague hint, bro. At least we are reading the question and thinking, unlike those who doesn't even know what was the question saying and directly GP thing. Looks easy unless you see they ask for optimal solution. Yeah, that makes sense, bro. That makes total sense. And that I can't even, we can't even do anything at that at this point. 7,100. Okay, so it has stopped dropping as of now. How many people have solved this third question? I'm pretty sure it's more than 1,000 at this point. Yep. 990, 999, 999. Hmm. Yeah, so I'm thinking about we have one option, one option, one option. For every forbidden place with 7, 3 places where you can't have 7, and how many non-7 elements do you have? You have 1, so therein you get -1. Okay. Forbidden 7, how many places are there? 3. And how many non-7 elements are there? I think I have the logic for -1. Yeah, please let me start coding. This contest is already fucked, so what was can even happen? Okay, make pair of forbidden val forbidden val frequency non val exists. If we made a pair in, yeah, if we make a pair, it becomes goddamn, we need a custom hash, right? If we make a pair. 6127 rank 2 questions done with 1 wrong acceptance. I'm done. I'm just you but worse. I did 2 question 1 wrong acceptance because of goddamn int overflow and I'm 7,000. It's like you giving boards till second question and they give you JE advanced starting from third to fourth. Lol. Yeah, today it's especially tough. Yeah, it's really tough. Okay, so in a map, we can't have a pair. We can't have a pair in a map as the key because then it would require goddamn custom hash, right? So what else can we use? Nums I goes till 10 raised to 9. So it's not a single digit every time. It goes till 10 raised to 9. Man, this is so. I literally did in 7 minutes and still 6. Okay, so even after solving the first two questions, but yeah, Shaitan, you got two wrong acceptance. Nah, that is why you got your rank is 6K. If you probably did all them in first attempt with no wrong acceptance, you would have been. I'm pretty sure you would have been at 4K something. Easy 4K. Hmm. And check how many val exist to fill that place. What if there is enough val for every place? There is enough values for every place. Okay, okay. But still we get a -1. What if a condition that there are enough values for every place, but we still get a -1? I'll use a custom hash. I'm not bringing up the custom hash for uh, store pair as key in map cpp. Oh, we can directly? Then what was the custom hash about? Yo, wait, what was the custom hash about? Am I stupid? We can't do that. Okay, I'm stupid. And then you'll have int uh, hash hmm, forbidden val frequency rare valid options. Valid options. I'm going to sleep, just solve second question. Yeah, that's the best part. I'm rank 4547. One wrong acceptance. You didn't overflow. How is you still 4547? Like, at what time did you submit? Were you super fast? Nobody's taking today's contest seriously. मेरा हो गया -100. Same bro, same. I'm getting a minus. Honestly, I'm pretty confident that I'll get a -10 today. I did question 2 in 817. I joined 4 minutes late. Rank 3. Bro, this guy is flexing at this point. This guy is flexing at this point. Guys, how are you so fast with question 2? Bro, these guys are crazy. These guys are at another level. It took me 20 minutes. Yeah, it took me about 10 minutes too. What question are you? I'm on third. मेरा तो मन सा कर रहा है थर्ड जीपीडी मार के सो जाओ, बट धोखा सा भी लग रहा है. What can I even do? What the fuck? Never mind, not doing it. Just get all frequencies, max num, sums num, minus mark frequency. Yep. This is that is the second question. Yeah, I did it that way itself. I did some stupid mistakes. That's why. Now 4682. First question 317. Question 2 739. Bro, okay. Yeah, I'm pissed off now. Has anybody here? पुरीश भाई तुम्हारी चैट में सब गार्डियन है क्या? मुझे न्यूबी exactly bro. And Ansh, I still think you are still rated more than me, so I'm feeling even worse than you. मेरी चैट में everybody is a goddamn knight. Again after second question I feel like अब 2026 में दुनिया खत्म करो. Puroshit bro, stop this Puroshit shit. Please bro, stop it. I'm already pretty pissed off right now. Oh my god. Has anybody here solved the third question or the fourth question? I'm the most newbie, I guess. Nah. Vipul bro. Like, I swear to god, if you say that once again, you are probably at 4000 rank, right? And you consider yourself newbie. Out of 30,000 people, you're at 4000th position. And you're saying you're newbie. Bro, shut your bitch ass up. गहरी नींद लेने का मन सा कर रहा है. Ice gaming, same for me, bro. I slept just 3 hours the last night. नहीं भाई, you rated more than me. I'm 1600. Yeah, okay. It honestly, bro, it still doesn't matter. Has anybody solved the third or fourth question? Bro, you also know those two questions were really easy. Honestly, yeah, you're right. They weren't tough. But I just woke up and all that. I got an into a flow and yep. Third question का solution बता दो. This guy thinks I can tell him a one-liner solution for third question. How many people have solved this? It was 999 the last time. 1,300 people. Okay, let's try with what I was thinking. Map frequencies int, and it's going to be frequencies for int any of your nums, for int any of your nums, frequency. Yeah, you can replace that. Okay, you can replace an element with either a wrong value or a correct value if that correct value does not match. Yeah, so basically you can replace an index with any other value except the current. Yeah, okay, I'm not. Yep, yeah, that's correct. Fuck that fool Kirang. If I can solve one more question today, only then I'll consider myself little good. Look at the greed. Look at the greed. अभी -50 होगा. कल एक कॉन्टेस्ट अटेंड करा नहीं पर रजिस्टर था. Bro, why do people register if they like? Why do you even register in advance? Please explain me your logic. You can register while attempting. I registered for it while I attempted today. Why do you register in advance? कल वाला अनरेटेड होगा मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली. और कल मेरी रेटिंग प्लस जानी थी एंड नाउ इज गोइंग टू बी अनरेटेड. ब्रो, नो इंटरनेट problem. OP, why did you even register, bro? Frequency. Hmm. When I equals to 0, I don't know what code am I typing. I know this is wrong, but I. तुमने कितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिए लीड कोड पर? हो गया मेरा लीड कोड से. अब सो जाता हूँ. Honestly, I'm also inclined to just go and sleep. I also feel like I should just sleep at this point. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Current equals to error I. Forbidden equals to forbidden I. If it is wrong, then you can say okay, rather than storing as parent and as the key, we'll store forbidden value. Can we store parent and as the value? Store parent and as value. We can, right? Where was custom hash? Where was the custom hash included? I mean, you required We can, right? We can simply. Okay. Map which takes in your int and stores pair of intent. Yep, that seems convenient. I know this is still wrong. What am I even doing? I registered 10 seconds before contest after registered internet fucked up yesterday. Oh, okay. You don't lose rating if you don't attend the contest, even after registering if you have zero submission. No, bro, you do. You do. सोने जा रहे हैं क्या bro? Don't give up. What do you mean don't give up? Do you still think I can solve anything? Can you please explain your approach? Which you are going to solve this or thinking to solve it? Bro, I'm not able to make any approach for this question, bro. Even if you register, you get minus. Yeah, you get minus. 1102 test cases passed in 3. And the fact that you don't get partial marking for anything. How many test cases are there in total? Hmm. If n is not equals to hash dot end, 7 वाली जितनी wrong position है, forbidden value valid option. 1108. And how many did you solve? 1102. Bhai, I'm about to crash out. That's worse than even attempting. भाई थर्ड का चैट जीपीटी किया बिना कोड देखे लोकल पे चलाया तो सैम्पल टेस्ट केसेस आर पासिंग बट सबमिट करने का मन नहीं कर रहा. Yeah, honestly, everybody is GPTing. Submit करने का मन. What's your current rating? Do you expect your rating to fall? Bro, 30 minutes बचे हैं, क्या करना है? सो जाते हैं. Honestly, let's sleep, bro. I doubt ये accept होगा. I am 100% sure ये accept नहीं होगा. If hash dot find current, since the past, I think 3 contests I was solving 3 problems in a contest. If I look, okay, yesterday I solved 3 on 4. Then in weekly 480 I solved 3 on 4. Then in 479 I solved, oh, it's just, okay, never mind. 7,400. अभी 7.2 पे था, 7.5 हो गए भाई. 4142 रैंक है. Mine is 7,400. 300 people have already done an all kill. Wait, do we have a British cheater? Gurgain. He wants us to believe him. Yo, do I message him on LinkedIn? To teach me? Yo, do I message him on LinkedIn? You know what? Let's message him on LinkedIn. Bro, why didn't it ask me for a custom invitation? Send. Add a note. Hi. What do I write him? Hi. Saw you top the rankings for Leetcode weekly. Do I message him? हार्ड कोड करके बाकी टेस्ट केस बचे हुए टेस्ट केस पास करवा दो. Bro, those must be hidden test cases. You can't hard code them. I'm at 6.6k right now. It's hard. Congratulations. Welcome to Leetcode. I'm at 7.4k. You can't cry in front of me. Hi, saw you. Okay, let's message him. What do we message him? Hi, saw you top the rankings for Leetcode weekly 481. You did all kill in just how many minutes? in just 6 minutes. In just 6 minutes. That godly speed. Would love to take some guidance. Bro, कल से hidden disk के show कर रहा है. He can hard code, I guess. Wait, it's showing? They are showing hidden test cases? They are showing hidden test cases from now on. That's new. 8.8k rank. Bro, rank गिरते जा रही है. What is my rank? 7.4. We'll have to take some guidance. Senior software engineer. Wait, is he actually a senior software engineer? Is he actually a senior software engineer at Bloomberg and yet he is still resorting to cheating? He is actually. There's no way he did this on his own, right? There's no way he did this on his own. नहीं दिख रहा hidden. Okay. तभी तो छेलो. Yeah, so let's just message him. Who knows, bro? No, not this. Message him this. I saw you top the rankings for Leetcode 481. You did all kill in just 6 minutes. That's godly speed. Would love to take some guidance from you. I think yeah, that's even though we know he's cheating, but let's play. Let's make him feel like that we believe he did this on his own and see how does he react. ब्रो कल मैंने एक बंदा देखा जिसने 4 मिनट में 4 क्वेश्चन कर लिया. अरे कल क्यों देखना भैया, आज देखो. 3 मिनट में कर लिया आज. What do you mean, bro? He is in second year and he's tweeting about it. What the hell? एक और रॉन्ग सबमिशन हुआ तो रैंक गिर जाएगी. नो, वो रॉन्ग सबमिशन काउंट नहीं होगा until your like code gets accepted. वो रॉन्ग सबमिशन काउंट नहीं होगा until you solve that question. Look at third guy. Holy bro, I found some. Second question too hard. I think today's questions are still. Yesterday's first question was tougher. The implementation of yesterday's first question. Second wala hash map se hoga kya? It's just find the total cost minus cost for one element और उसका max ले लेना, ऐसा कुछ था. I forgot. Even though my rank is 2800. Bro, just stay happy. Third and fourth are creep questions. Yup, they are. Okay, let's message him. He's definitely not legit, but let's play. Let's play into the game. So at top of the rankings for Leetcode 481, you did all kill in just 6 minutes. That's godly speed. Would love to take some guidance from you. Thanks. Like he's a senior software engineer at Bloomberg. He's already probably making at least 100,000 USD. 14 years of experience. Nobody remembers a shit about DSA after 14 years of development, okay? He's 548 followers. Bro, it really doesn't matter if he gives me a referral. What am I even thinking? Bro, what hidden test cases for question number 2? First and second? I don't know, bro. Hidden test cases, you can never see hidden test cases. If my submission are wrong, like they did not get accepted, will I get negative points? No, you will not. Third be hard. Yeah. आज का contest बेकार है यार. Like, I still think int overflow का you should never get a penalty. Int overflow में आपके कोई logic में तो गलती नहीं है ना. It's that stupid mistake. And I think Python में कभी आता नहीं है ना int overflow. Bro, I really just started participating in Leetcode. What's your rating, Vipul, bro? And in last 2 contests, I solved 3 questions. I was gaining confidence. But I was third and fourth. Please just try third. Honestly, okay, then let's just try third. Shaitan is saying it's not very hard, even though I don't believe anything he says because he's no, 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 no. I need to hide my code because he's a guardian. Okay, let's try. We have 25 minutes. I haven't even tried. Okay, let's try. If hash dot find current is not equal to hash dot end frequency equals to hash of current dot first, so we can say hash of current equals to frequency comma 0, not frequency plus 1. Okay, else hash of, yeah, it has current equals to 1 comma 0. Okay, this is going to get now what we're gonna do is, for auto IT of your hash, end le equals to id dot first, end frequency equals to id dot second dot first, end valid options equals to n minus n minus frequency of your le. Okay, then you can say n minus frequency of le, it dot second, if valid options is less than your frequency, you return -1. Okay, I have written a -1 scenario. Let's see if that, bro. If current equals to forbidden, no, forb. Valid options equals to value is not an array pointer. Frequency is a map, right? Oh, sorry. I've written a -1 case. It should give us -1 for this third one. Okay, -1 case is working correctly. And this will also handle the 0 one. If hash dot empty return 0, this would also handle the 0 case. Okay, yep, it's handling the 0 case. Now let's try submitting this. Cout int wrongs equals to hash dot size. How many wrongs are there? It depends on hash dot size. No. Wrongs plus equals to hash dot second, hash dot, not for it dot second, no, it frequency, right? And answer equals to wrongs 2, if wrong percentage 2 answer plus return answer. What? Okay. Okay, so for the first one we're getting a 0. For what? not Endel. Let's see if it's counting the wrongs correctly. So it's telling us we have one wrong here, right? Percentage 2 is equal to 1, not and 2. Stupid. Okay, so the first one we're getting 1. For second we're getting 2. For third we are getting -1. For fourth we are getting 0. What are the chances it's my code is correct? 0. There's absolute no chance in this planet Earth that my code is correct, but let me still submit it. We don't have to care about int overflow. Let me submit this. Let's see how many test cases can I pass. Yo, I passed 1102 test cases? Bro, that's crazy. Okay, why am I getting a... I'm getting -1 here. Why did I get 1 here? Yeah, wait. Okay, there is 1 wrong here, and valid option equals to total. Okay. Yo, I didn't expect my code to run so much. Bro, same. Okay, so this is the same test case we are getting stuck at. Holy. Okay, 9 1 and 1 1. So in here, okay, let's try to debug here. Why did it not? Wrong for Ellie. Okay. Valid option equals to valid ops. Hmm. Okay. Chill, bro. Chill. You don't have to give so god. Man, I can't spell, bro. My code is hidden, right? Yep. So in this case, I didn't even copy that. Stupid. So in the fifth one, wrong for 1, valid option equals to 1. How is it counting valid options? So it's going to take the total frequency minus frequency of 1. Okay. So the valid option for that position is 1. Hmm. Okay, but then when you swap it there, oh, I get it. If an element appears more than n times in the to list, it should be -1. What do you mean n? More than n times in the to list? N is the size, right? So he's asking us. Oh, so he's saying if an element appears more than n times in the to list, it should return -1. I didn't think about that. Real Jimmy Woo. Anyone please give slide in for third? Bruh, no hints available, at least for me. I can't solve it on my own. So in here, valid options are okay. Valid options are so it's about how many test cases am I failing at? And I just need 6 more test cases, and it doesn't even give us any partial marking. My god. int le equals to error I, and you can say frequency 2 of forbidden I plus plus. Now for -1, for int le of your error, if frequency of le plus frequency 2 of that le is greater than equals to greater than, I think then we return -1. Chill out, bro, chill out. So we're getting -1 here. 1, 2, -1. This was a 0, right? 1 to 2, 1. Oh, okay. Let's bring this here. Let's bring this here. We're getting -1 here. I think it should be greater than n. Yep, it should be greater than n for -1 to work. So we're getting 1 here. Let's check what the answer was. 1. It was 2 in the second one. For the third one, it was -1. For the fourth one, it was 0. For the fifth one, it's -1. Okay, let me try running it. I know it's still not going to run. Let me still try. Okay, I'm hard coding this. I don't give a shit. I'm hard coding this one. Let me at least try to hard code the last test cases. If vector int t1 equals to, yeah, I'm hard coding this, bro. I don't give a shit. It's just a matter of 3 test cases. That will save my elo. Vector int t2 equal. Why did I get? Wait. How many wrongs are there? Should I hard code or should I try to debug the logic? Lamau. That's what I did. Like, it's not working. Oh, even if you hard code, they will add new test cases. Oh, bro. Okay, let's check what's wrong here. Forbidden में एक मेरे को दिख रहा है, 2 मेरे को दिख रहे हैं. Oh. So it should actually be okay. यहाँ पे मेरे को दिख रहा है कि मेरी गलती इसलिए हो रही है. We can't replace 19 with the 19. यहाँ पे मैं 19 with the 19 कर रहा हूँ. ना जितने wrong मिलेंगे. Okay, bro, 11 minutes remaining. So this question is edging me at this point. We can't replace 19 with the 19. So what do I change in my logic? My logic is counting how many wrongs are there, okay? God damn it, bro. No one try to hard code. Should I try to hard code? What are you trying to say? I think कितने total wrongs हैं? I think total wrong ना we can already calculate somewhere here. Okay, wrongs though we can already calculate it in the above. Okay, so we can't hard code. Okay, now we can simply say wrongs plus plus. We don't care about the wrongs here, okay? We don't care about that. Now it's about for solving this. Hmm, 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 hmm. For every, it's about for every, oh my god, my brain is not working now. Every element, अब वो आगे के भी हो गए होंगे. Yeah, I guess it's a pretty simple fix, but I can't think, bro. I'm stupid. Basically, the wrongs are same, so they can't made be correct. Yeah, exactly. It would have worked if both the wrongs. Yeah, I know that. That's where my test case is falling. But I'm trying to rethink the logic. Try to hard code, bro. They are saying hard code wouldn't work because Leetcode changes the test cases. Hard code wouldn't work. So the imagine if we had something like we had 19, 19, 19, 19 and 15. These are all wrongs. Okay, तो ये वाला wrong तो इससे हो जाता and ये बाहर से कर इसके लिए 2 और ऐसे करने पड़ते. So how do I count this? How do I count this? इसके लिए हम्म 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 हम्म. इसके लिए what we can do is ना तो हमारे पास 4 wrong of एक type है, then we have 1 wrong. So this is essentially 3 with a new one and 1 comma 1 which solves themselves. So this would add plus hmm hmm okay. If more than half of the people are wrong, if more than half of the people are wrong or same, then you need to fix them. Okay, so if more than half, yeah, more than half because then we'll have to take the same elements. Okay. If frequency is greater than more than half is greater than wrongs by 2, then you can say जितने भी एक्स्ट्रा है ना जितने भी एक्स्ट्रा है उसके लिए प्लस प्लस करो. int extra equals to n by 2 minus frequency. ठीक है, जितने भी एक्स्ट्रा होंगे यहाँ पर वी कैन से ये एक्स्ट्रा है ना हाफ. इफ मोर देन हाफ टोटल रॉन्ग्स है यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 5 जिसके अंदर अपने 4 सेम है. तो अब इसमें हम कह सकते हैं कि एक्स्ट्रा आ जाएंगे 3, तो आंसर में +3 कर देंगे और यहाँ से तो अपना We can say wrongs minus extra and वो wrongs में से हटा दो क्योंकि वो माइनस में नहीं होंगे. Let's see what bullshit did I write. Okay, bro, chill out. Now it's going to piss me off if I can't solve this in 4 minutes. 1, 2, 1, then we have 2, then we have -1, then we have 0, then we have, okay, -1. And now the moment everybody's been waiting for, is case 6 working correct? Please, bro, please. 1 was the, holy, the fuck? So int extra equals to n by 2 minus frequency. Wrongs में से minus कर दिया वो extra. And answer plus equals to extra. यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है अपने, 2 wrong है, extra एक ही होगा, ठीक है. Wait. Extra majority equals to your LE. Right, majority is LE, and then see out extra equals to extra, and see out new wrong, comma answer plus extra आंसर में ऐड हो जाएगा न्यू रॉन्ग इक्वल्स टू wrongs. Okay, let's see, bro. Let's see. When this motherfucker, bro, don't in 2 minutes I have to solve this or else I'll cry my entire day. Majority is 19, extra एक extra आ रहा है तो न्यू रॉन्ग 1 हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना. न्यू रॉन्ग 1 हो जाएगा, आंसर में अपना एक्स्ट्रा जाएगा, ठीक है ना. आंसर में अपना एक्स्ट्रा जाएगा, ठीक है. आंसर if wrongs percentage 2, see out final wrongs, no, please Leetcode, bro. So final wrong 1 आ रहा है तो आंसर होएगा 0. Oh wait, answer plus equals to wrongs by 2, wrongs percentage 2. Okay, we're getting 2 now. Okay. No. Let's not get overexcited. Let's just submit it. Okay, there's no point to do more debugging. Let's try to submit it. All the test cases 1, 2, -1, 0, -1, 6. Yeah, it's working without any outputs, right? Please, I beg you. Oh my god. Output is 3, expected is 1. So herein we have 25. Oh, okay. If wrongs is not equals to 1 and 115, $753 Output is 3. House is not working now, bro. भाई हो गया थर्ड हार्ड कोड करके. Bro, what do you mean? I could have hard coded it myself. Bro, people in the chat stopped me. Shaitan, bro, you literally told me hard coding is not possible. Bro, my first approach was to hard code. My bro, now you telling me that I could have hard coded. You telling me I could have hard coded. Bro, test case change कैसे होंगे? My first approach was to hard code, bro. I think hard code is against the rules. Fuck the rules. Nobody gives a shit about rules. Real Jimmy, bro. Nobody gives a shit about the rules. Now it's literally the worst Sunday of 2025 for me. This Sunday is literally the worst Sunday. You can get accepted by hardcore, but it will be wrong acceptance afterward, bro. Kavish did it. Kavish did it, bro. If now Kavish gets a correct acceptance, bro, intuition kya hai? Same for me as well. You could have hard coded. No, bro. That just makes me more sad. Don't tell me I could have hard coded. Don't tell me ये तो scam हो गया. People in the chat said that hard coding करने पे accept नहीं होता. You wouldn't have felt. No, I would have felt absolutely amazing. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit if I hard coded. I feel like crying right now. No way I could have hard coded it and I didn't. No. And let's check my rank. It's 8,000. It's 9,000, right? Oh, okay. It's 7,000. Yeah, I could have hard coded. And yeah, laugh at me. You know, if I were you, I'll laugh at myself. भाई करते जा हार्ड कोड हो गया एक्सेप्ट तो ना होगा who cares. I'm stupid, bro. You could have been 4K. Yeah. No fucking way. Shaitan, bro. Hard code abhi. Okay, let's try to hard code right now. सबसे पहला जो मेरा सबमिशन था ना, let's just use that. Let's just use this. Okay, not test case, sorry. Let's just use that and let's see if hard coding actually works. ठीक है. If error equals to your 9,1 and forbidden equals to your 1,1. Let's see, bro, if people in the chat made a fool of myself. Wait, isn't that how you do it? Vector int okay, this is a new test case that I'm doing. Okay, I'll hardcode. Let me hardcode this also. If error equals to vector int of, let's hardcode this, bro, because if this works after hardcoding, I'll jump off building at this point. Shaitan, bro, you scammed me. Okay, let's see if you return 1. No, I expected is 2. Okay, let's try to submit this. Bro, you scammed me if this works. हंसी आ रही है, ये क्या हो गया? Sorry, bro. Shaitan, bro, why did you? No way, bro. I could have hard coded. I would have felt so good. Bro, in 15 minutes, hard code both 1 and 2. Wrong answer at 1104. Yeah, let's hard code every value. Let's hard code every value and see. कितनी wrong answer देगा? दे जितनी दे सकता है, bro. I'm here all day. I'm unemployed. दे के दिखा कितने hard code दे सकता है. Okay, return 2. अबे 112315 112141 expected is -1. Okay, sorry, -1. Okay. Test cases never change, bro. Even if you get accepted now, they will add new test cases afterwards. Okay. See, the only thing that will make me happy is if Kavish get a wrong acceptance. Nah, I'm joking. Because he hard coded, right? Another, yeah, it's too much work. Okay, I'm not trying it. What happens if accepted but new test case is added? भैया इससे अच्छा एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम समझ ले कैसे करते हैं. Yeah, that's correct, bro. That's correct. I'm wasting time. So what I did, what one smart approach that people did, we'll have to calculate the all the positions that are wrongs. Okay, we had to calculate all the positions that are wrong and their frequencies. Like 19 is wrong 3 times, 7 is wrong 2 times. Now what we can do is to correct a wrong in minimum operations, we can just swap these two wrongs, okay, and then we have a +1 in our answer. Then swap this two, and then we can have +1. What I was doing is मैं total wrongs by 2 कर रहा था, total wrongs by 2. उसमें ना it was counting something like let's say if I had another 19 and wrong here, फिर वो इसको ऐसे count कर रहा था, but we can't do that. We can't swap 19 and 19. उससे तो wrong होएगा ही नहीं. तो जो ये एक्स्ट्रा बच रहे थे ना, इनके लिए एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करना था और यही मैं नहीं कर पाया एंड में भी. मैं पागल हूँ. I couldn't do this in the end. At least satisfied तो हो जाता. No new test cases. Are they stupid? Why don't they have hidden test cases? Yeah, Leetcode is getting worse day by day. Penalty would have been of 1 hour. I don't care. It's all about getting acceptance. I understand it now. I'm so close. You're almost there. Solution सही है, बस cases थोड़ा सोच ले. Yeah, I'll probably try this sometime later now. I'm not doing it right now. I'm literally, my entire weekend is ruined, bro. Because अगर कल के में I'm getting a positive rating, but I feel like it's going to get unrated. आज के में मैंने हक दिया and now it's going to get rated. Bro, आज थर्ड हार्ड आ गया, फोर्थ की अटेम्प्ट. फ्रीक्वेंसी की वैल्यू सिर्फ दो टाइप की है. समझा दे. जीपीटी बोल रहा है दे ऐड एक्स्ट्रा टेस्ट केसेस पोस्ट कॉन्टेस्ट. यस दे डू ऐड. आई होप दे डू ऐड, bro. Because I'm very salty, I couldn't hard code. I hope they do add. भाई मजा आ गया. फर्स्ट और फोर्थ हो गए थे. स्ट्राइवर की ग्राफ पूरी करी थी, हो गया फोर्थ 1 hour में. You didn't do second. Second was 100 times easier than fourth. You could do fourth, but you didn't do second. When the greatest bad frequency pair is more than sum of the rest, and when it's not. Oh, हाँ. जितने बचे हुए हैं. Okay. So the thing was, they were wrong, so we can already calculate in the top. Okay, wrongs तो wrongs plus ठीक है. अबे एक मिनट, let me just use my latest submission ना. Let me use my latest submission. Yeah, this is stupid. If int rest equals to total wrongs है minus current की frequency, if frequency is greater than rest, then आप कह सकते हो int extra equals to, extra आ जाएगा आपका फ्रीक्वेंसी माइनस रेस्ट है ना. ये एक्स्ट्रा होंगे, इनके लिए ये सीधा आंसर में प्लस हो जाएंगे कितने एक्स्ट्रा है, और रॉन्ग्स में से वो हट जाएंगे. रॉन्ग्स माइनस इक्वल्स टू एक्स्ट्रा. यार दिस शुड वर्क. Oh my god, bro. I want to die at this point. Oh my god. No way, bro. No way. No way, bro. This literally makes me want to quit Leetcode at this point. You are welcome, Vinny. Could you have not given me this advice like 5 minutes back? Please, bro. Please try to come on the stream early from the next time. Please. Because I want to die now. I want to die now. What the fuck do I do of this accepted? Like, what do I do? Bro. What was wrong with my code? I was doing key. अबे यार. See, it doesn't even matter at this point. मैं खुद सॉल्व कर रहा था भाई. Bro, next time please prioritize me over solving yourself. You must be like a knight or something, right? What's your ranking? What's your ranking? You must be knight. Let's look at our rating. Should we check our predicted? I expect a minus. I expect a minus 8. No way, bro. I think we have to check our lead code rating predictor. I think we have to check it now. Entrant hub. Let's check on entrant hub. I'm not checking my own. I'll check your guys's. Bro, rank 8. What the fuck? It was 7. Yeah, it's just crazy at this point. I will not check mine. Let me check your guys's so that I can feel better. It's weekly contest. What was it? 481. Okay. View details. Rankings. Let me come on this side. Okay. Let me come on this side. Now, let's check Pradeep lead code. I will not check my own. Pradeep lead code 415 so that I can feel better कि सिर्फ मेरी कम नहीं हो रही. Okay. Pradeep. Wait. Oh, we don't have the data. Whom do I check? Whom else do I check, bro? Let me check yours, bro. No, please. हर हफ्ते उम्मीद से आता हूँ बंदा बस. Check rank. Okay, wait. Positive होगा. Lead को मेरे मुंह पे बढ़िया चाटा मारता है. Bro, shut up, bro. How many questions did you solve? Pradeep, bro. How many solve? Why is your rank not being shown here? Jay Dhumal. Okay, I think the rating is not out yet. It's not out yet. Yeah, it's not out yet. We can't even check. We can't even check as of now. Okay. Programming ages like a fine wine. 1617 rating. Okay, that's not bad. 578 questions. Bro, that's good. Okay, you have a portfolio. Bro, the rating is not out yet. You got a rank of 4.8k. Solving live, what is the point of hiding the code if you're speaking during the contest? No point, bro. Sarthak, it doesn't matter. Damn, 578 questions. Can you explain third one? Whole solution? Bro, honestly, I don't have the energy. Okay. So in the third one, you have to count how many elements are wrong and the frequency. जैसे 19 can be at a wrong position. 19 can be at a wrong position. Wrong position when the position in nums and forbidden match. Let's say 19 is at a wrong position. Another 19 is at a wrong position. Another 19, and then there is a 7 that is at a wrong position. 6, 4, something like these. These are all the elements that are at wrong position. अब इसमें if you want to make them correct, आप क्या कर सकते हो? ये सारे wrong position पे है, so you can just swap them and ये दोनों correct position पे हो जाएंगे फिर, है ना? इसको भी swap कर लिया तो ये दोनों correct position पे हो जाएंगे. इसको भी swap कर लिया, ये दोनों correct position पे हो जाएंगे. अब ये 19 बचा, इसे सही करने के लिए ना you can swap it with another element that is at the correct position. So this is the basic approach. अब इसमें edge cases handle करने थे कि what if there is another 19. You अब मेरे कोड में क्या कर रहे थे, initially it was counting this as a correct swap, which is not, because 19 और 19 को swap करोगे तो it's wrong ना, उससे तो कुछ होगा नहीं. I know I'm explaining it stupidly. Because this was my second contest, solved 2 by 4 this time. I am struggling in third question. I am on currently backtracking though. Then linked list, currently completing hashing though. Bro, good work. It's 5-10 minutes. Good work, bro. भाई आज इंटरव्यू है, कोई टिप्स दे दो bro. Bro, for what company? Is it on campus? Bro, CTO round. Oh, it's the final round then, right? Bro, can we have all the best for you? -1 case if count of any number of nums and forbidden is greater than n. Yeah, that's -1 case. Can you explain in your code? My code is trash. You should never look at my code. I write trash code. Okay, where's my code? You can always find like better code than me, but let me just still try to show you my code. Okay, so this pair, this map stores which value is wrong and वो कितनी बारी wrong है. Ignore this is stupid, this isn't required. Okay, ignore this stores की कौन सी value wrong है और वो कितनी बारी wrong है, ठीक है ना. तो and there is a frequency that I also did. This is stupid, again stupid, this is not needed. तो यहाँ पे अब current equals to forbidden हो गया तो वो wrong हो जाएगा और उसे hash में store कर दूंगा मैं frequency के साथ. That's how I did it. अगर hash empty है मतलब कोई wrong ही नहीं है तो we return 0. This is the -1 condition. Okay. And what did I did? एलिमेंट, अब ये सारे कौन सा एलिमेंट रॉन्ग है, उसकी क्या फ्रीक्वेंसी है. अब रेस्ट कितने बच रहे हैं वुड बी टोटल रॉन्ग्स माइनस करंट की फ्रीक्वेंसी. अब करंट की फ्रीक्वेंसी इज ग्रेटर दैन रेस्ट, तो जितने एक्स्ट्रा है वो आंसर में ऐड हो जाएंगे और रॉन्ग्स में से एक्स्ट्रा माइनस हो जाएंगे. आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाट डिड आई डू. Kanish, you following Kunal? All the best for his interview, right? Bro, like I did not give any OA interview. How are they directly giving me CTO round? Bro, stop complaining. No worries, bro. They may as well give you the vice president position. मैंने इसमें 1102 टेस्ट केसेस में रॉन्ग आंसर दे दिया. Same, bro. DJ, just roll back the stream 15 minutes and you can almost see me cry. Bhai, my classmates uses GPT, but I can't prove it. See, what you can do is, then they say like this contest was easy. What you can do is tell them to come to the library and invite them for a Leetcode 1v1. I bet you they'll give excuses. यार library में पढ़ाई नहीं होती यार, I can't focus and all that. What the fuck? How did you think that? What did I think that? Ratings are out. Oh, ratings are out. Okay. Let's look Pradeep's rating. So that, okay, let's look Pratap rating. I think he didn't even attended the contest. No. What is Heist Gaming's? Okay, Pratap is 7,000. Okay, he's ranked 7.9k and he's getting a +7. Okay, bro, good work for you. Let's check Pradeep Leetcode. Pradeep Leetcode 415. Let's check so that I don't feel bad कि मेरी ही rating घट रही है. I won't check mine. Pradeep is getting a -6. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. -8. You got -8, bro. Heist, bro. You don't have to do this. Heist, you're getting a +17. Okay, Galbotrix -69. Heist, what's your profile? Galbotrix is also getting a +4 for a 15,000 rank. Okay, let's just check mine. Okay, -8. Vipul Rana. Yeah, let's check this guy, bro. He did Vipul Rana, bro. Let's check yours. Give your correct username. Your username is not correct. Vipul Rana. Okay. It is correct. Vipul Rana. Vipul Rana. You're getting a plus 29. That is crazy. Plus 29 is crazy. Let's check your submissions, bro. Minimum deletion cost to make all characters equal and all that. Okay, you code in Java, bro. You. No, I'm joking. Yeah, the first question did not even deserve to be called as a question. What's your rank? 5,400. Okay. It's Godly Hirsch. Okay, let's check his. Highest gaming, bro. Plus 17, bro. I'm so jealous right now. I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous. Ansh Bahaduria, let's check. भाई कोई तो मेरी तरह negative वाला मिले. Everybody is getting positive, so it's just me who's losing Elo. Just me and Pradeep. Yeah, Ansh, you're getting a positive. Got minus 35 yesterday and a plus 4 today. Wow. I got a plus 6 yesterday. I'm pretty sure uski wo unrated ho jayega. And I got minus 8 today. What side is that, lol? Entrant hub. Somehow at least plus 17. What is Pradeep saying? It's for Algo University full stack developer. Anybody, if they've given you. Oh, Algo University? Bro, they want Django. Bro, that is a very good place. Yeah, they're inviting you to the CTO round because that's a very good startup. They came on our campus too. Why these predictions are sucks? No, bro, they're true in most cases. Bro, do you remember my college? Yeah, you're from Triple IT, Heist Gaming, I know. They're never correct. I think they are correct. What do you mean? Let's let's check on Leetcode rating predictor for yesterday. Let's not check on Entrant Hub and let even though they are made by the same people, so they must have the same to reach G. I'm getting a plus 6 yesterday. Okay. How much they were paying you? I mean, in your college. In my college, they only picked up one guy, and that too for I think for DSA helper, not even a developer, kind of like DSA helper. I think he was paid. I don't even know if he got a PPO, but he was paid around 40-50K in his internship. Check my rating, Utkarsh Patil. I hope they ask me some DSA questions. Yeah, bro. If they ask you some DSA question, you're gonna like make them shut up. Ansh Bahadur. Utkarsh Patidar plus 30. Bro, I request everybody in this chat, if you're getting a positive elo, please don't ask me to search your username. I get jealous. Please don't. It's a humble request. Public service announcement. Please don't give me your username if you're getting a positive elo. Thank you. 25 watching and 3 likes. What the fuck? Yeah, I mean, people don't like. Dumpy Don. Yeah, please. I am already feeling like shit. Yep. Why your channel is growing? You have a backup plan, bro. The day like if I stop streaming for one week, then it's going to die. There's no backup plan is there. Dump it on. I hope you're not getting a positive rating because I'm salty. Plus 63. Dumpy Don is getting a plus 63. Nobody can understand how much jealous that makes me feel. Now I'm happy for you, bro. Who's this guy on his DP? Is that bro? That looks like Diddy, bro. Dumpy Don, bro. What language do you code in? This is what question? Total sum of interactions. This is yesterday's question. Total sum of interaction cost entry. This is the fourth question. What do we think of this? Dumpy down, bro. Okay, you're that striver guy, right? You're that striver guy. Okay, yeah. Fourth question. Okay. What predictor website was this? Entrant Hub. Is that GBD? I I kind of feel like it is not. Do we check? Do we check? You could have solved three if you didn't waste time. Yeah, Shaitan is actually correct. If I didn't waste time, I could have solved the third one, bro. You're correct. I wasted so much time in crying and cribbing. Piyush is saying check, so of course. Piyush is saying check, so of course it is not. No, bro, we believe you. Bro, I'm not getting positive. Check my account is Budiji. Ice Gaming, do you want to get banned? Do you want to get banned at this point? So what did he do there? Adjacency list, contribution of each edge, same color things on right side X, marking how many fall in each color. Visited array, ठीक है. You write DFS, not visited yet, recursive calling of DFS. What did he even do? This looks like DFS. I mean, of course it's DFS. You made, after that, what did you do? Okay, there would be 20 groups. So you made group. Marking for G in group. Total, अच्छा कितने G उस group में होंगे? ठीक है. Count array will not be used. Not visited yet. Okay, I can't understand it. I can't understand it. Voice coding in Python. Which year I'm in my fourth year. Voice coding in Python. Yeah, people code in Python. The code looks so clean in Python. For nay, okay, that's neighbor. Not visited yet. Further count DFS, recursive calling of DFS. For G in range 121, X equals to further count X star Y. Why are you multiplying shit? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, again, my Sunday is ruined. I don't know why do I keep showing up every week to waste my Sunday. I don't watch Suits. What is that? SUITS. Oh, this show is Suits. How do you pronounce it? Suits or Sweets? Suits. Season 10 coming. I don't know, bro. I've never watched it. I was only able to solve first two. Congratulations, we are in the same bot. Contest rating checker link. Leetcode rating predictor. Watch The Punisher if you want the most craziest killer dreams. Suits. Okay, that's how you pronounce it. Okay, people are asking for that entrant hub. Okay, this is the link. Bro, this website should sponsor me at this point. I'm bringing them so much traffic. They should sponsor me. Bro, I shouldn't. Yeah. See, I couldn't solve the third one because I wasted so much time, so it makes sense, bro. It makes sense. See you. Yeah, it's 10 p.m. already. I don't know. I'll probably sleep now. I just slept 3 hours yesterday. Yeah. Okay, then. Check this. What? What do we check? What was your approach for the third question? Mind explaining a bit? Okay, let me explain that. मेरा कल contest बहुत बेकार था. Only able to solve first question and TL last. Test case is second question using DP. Second question was not DP in yesterday's contest. Second question तो वो remainder वाला था ना? Why did you use DP there? Bro, you be getting minus. So this guy asked me the link for Leetcode rating predictor और फिर मुझे ही बता रहे मेरी कितनी कम आ रही है. Wow. Who asked for it, bro? Who asked for it? Third was not that simple according to me. Yeah, of course it definitely wasn't. It definitely wasn't. Yeah, bro, I shouldn't have not. I shouldn't have given link to Austin. Austin. Yeah, for the approach for third one, first of all, you calculate कौन से गलत है. Like यहाँ पर 4 is at a wrong position, so 4 wrong position पे है, and then you have 5 at wrong position, to 5 wrong position पे है. Let's say you had another 4 at wrong position, 5, 6, 7, 8, ये सारे wrong position पे है. Okay. Now what you do is to bring them to the right position, आप दो wrong position वाले को swap कर सकते हो. स्वैप कर दिया तो ये दोनों करेक्ट पोजीशन पे हो जाएंगे. अब इसे स्वैप कर दिया तो ये दोनों करेक्ट पे हो जाएंगे. इसे कर दिया तो ये दोनों करेक्ट पे हो जाएंगे. नाउ व्हाट वाज द एज केस? अगर मान लो यू हैव 444 एंड 1, इसमें आपने इसको तो स्वैप कर दिया, ये दोनों करेक्ट में हो जाएंगे, लेकिन आप इन्हें स्वैप नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज देन उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. इन्हें स्वैप करने के लिए आपको किसी करेक्ट एलिमेंट के साथ करना पड़ेगा. इसे यहाँ पे किसी करेक्ट एलिमेंट के साथ, इसे यहाँ पे किसी करेक्ट एलिमेंट के साथ. तो इस केस में तो यू विल जस्ट डू डिवाइड बाय 2 जितने भी रॉन्ग है. इस केस में +1 होगा. ये था एज केस. दिस इज लाइक ओवर द टॉप अप्रोच. Explain your third code, bro. I'm still not able to understand your code. Okay. Okay, I'll just explain my code. Anyone who hard coded, please message in Discord if your solution gets rejected so that I also do these things in future. Yeah, bro, I wanna see. Let's check Kavish's code, bro. I remember, yeah, he hard coded, right? Let's check his code. Minimum swaps. Is it swap? Yo, what do we think of this? What do we think of this? He told us he hard coded, but I don't see any hard coding here. On top of that, I see these very suspicious comments. What do we think of this? Nah, what do we think of this? Bro, heist gaming, you are getting banned if you do that once again. GPT, and he's not in the chat. I think he's not in the chat. Kavish, bro, he told us. Okay, so he was lying. He did not hard code. So that makes me feel just a bit better. He used GPT. Yeah, this is GPT. This 100%. Okay. Yeah, Leetcode can add test cases. Curve GPT is. See, at this point, everybody is GPTing, so it's no like surprise. Curve GPT Leetcode can add test cases after the contest, so it's possible that the code with hard coded. Yeah, makes sense, bro. Makes sense. And he's I don't think so. He's in the stream, bro. Kavish, bro, you should have been in the stream right now. This is hard coding. See, that's why you should never give me your username. Bro, I've got the lowest rating. What? What's your rating? It can't be lower than mine. Entrant Hub, let's check mine again. Search. I'm getting a -7 now. I'm 7,000 rated. Yeah. Fuck this, bro. Bro, hashtag include. This is definitely GPT. Okay. Where was it? Where was this even? Okay. I think I lost his submission. Yeah, it probably is. It very much is. He's not in the chat. Anyways, bad contest, bad performance by me, and nah, there was a delay on my stream. My bad. Yeah, no worries, bro. All cool. Okay, so, bro, did you get minus or plus today? Okay, I'm timing out heist gaming. Look, let me add a timeout. Put user in timeout. Let's give him a timeout of 10 seconds so that he doesn't repeat it. So that he doesn't repeat it. You deleted message. You deleted message. I just joined. Bro, you're timed out. You're timed out. Yeah, it's all jokes. Yep, bad contest. Okay. Bro's timeout is over. I can already see him typing. Yep. You're from which college? Yeah, I timed you out. I'm from IPU, mate. Stupid college. Yeah, let's end the stream now. Stupid contest was not worth it. Don't be upset with rating. Focus on problem solving. Bro, Sarthak seems like a wise guy. What's your rating? I know that's very ironic. He just said to not be obsessed over rating, and I asked him his rating. What's your rating, Sarthak, by the way? IPU rank list. What are you gonna do about that? So how do you know about PES? You aren't from Karnataka. I know about PES. I probably read about it online. Everyone says this till they get negative. Nah, yeah, that is crazy. Bro, I feel even worse for Pradeep because he's knight and he get continuous negative. Bro, I also got. I'm expecting a huge jump in my ratings from yesterday's contest. Yeah, you got a good rating today, bro. Why are you expecting? You can already see what are you going to get. Probably some from today's contest. Yeah, Heist Gaming is just like trolling me at this point. Okay. Yeah, let's just end this now. Not worth it. Yesterday I did three. Bro, you at this speed you'll just get to night in five contests. Now I can feel it's going to take me at least 3 months to become a knight. At least 3 more months of consistent DSA. Hmm. Plus 6 minus 7 equals to minus 1. Yeah. Do you know what? I can do basic maths too. You don't have to remind me every time. Saturday, Sunday saw me minus 1, bro. That sounds so sad. How many you'll become knight this year? So you're telling me I'll become knight in the 9 days that are left before the new year starts? Shaitan, bro, are you out of your mind? How many hours do you grind Leetcode only on stream? You also know first two are easy. That's why I could do it in 10 minutes. Yes, Vipul, bro, I knew it. Bro, my luck really bad in recent Div 2. I got like +9. I would have been specialist, but got stuck at 1391. Oh, that's unlucky. Within January? Nah, not definitely. Because in January my intern will start. I don't know if I'll be even be able to stream then. Yeah, everybody used reverse string operation in the first one. Last Div 2 was hard. Hard as fuck. We don't even talk about code forces here, bro. It's not allowed. Try GPT, you will reach night. Then why only night? I'll try for Guardian then. If GPT. And then for any tips for resume, just highlight your college name everywhere. You're from a good college. First time fourth question solved, I'm happy, bro. You should be. I've never solved a fourth question within a contest. I've solved it after the contest ended. Why you guys hate CF? Because we can't do lead code, and you're talking about code forces. Aloo khayega? No, bro. I'm actually having chidwa for breakfast. CF is tough. See, this guy who is a wolf but is trying to act a sheep amongst us. This guy is saying Shaitan, bro. Everybody look at him. This guy is saying CF is tough. Okay, CF is tough. Now let me show you his lead code profile. Let me show his lead code profile. Look at this. Look at this. He's saying CF is tough. He doesn't have 1% of shame. He's 1900 rated, okay? And in fact, I think we can also access his code forces from his LinkedIn. Shaunak, bro, he 9.6 CGPA. Do you have your code forces attached? Okay, you don't. But I'm pretty sure even on code forces, he's like a specialist or something. Nah, he's safe. He's trying to act like as an imposter. तो अभी तेजस मार्ट होता तो 30 मिनट में करके चले जाता. Yeah, bro, he's differently. One 3.5 year of experience, bro. Nagaro came on campus, and it had the worst possible online assessment in the entirety of human history. Nagaro is the worst. No, not the company, but their OA. Because I could solve. Should I tell you guys my Nagaro experience? See, I have stuff for almost everyone, irrespective of Leetcode rating. Of course, there is always going to be a question you can't solve, no matter your rating. But Shaitan shouldn't say it, bro. Shaitan shouldn't say it. Yeah, tell. So, okay, so there's this company, Nagaro came. It was paying us 6 LP, okay? It was paying us 6 LP. You know what? I think, yeah, it was paying us 6 LP. I was I was like, okay, I'll work with 6 LPA. Aptitude and all you should have done by ChatGPT. No, it was an on-campus test, so I couldn't cheat. It the HR was present and everyone was present. Okay, so aptitude was there. I did it. And aptitude, yeah, they had kind of yeah. Nagaro had aptitude of the level of J. Was it Nagaro? Yeah, I think Nagaro had really tough aptitude, but that's another case. Okay, after that, they had their DSA round. I was excited for this because, of course, I like DSA. So they had their three questions. In the first question, I solved 10 by 10 test cases. In the second question, I solved 6 by 10. In the third test case, I hard coded and I got 2 by 10. Guess what? I got rejected. And people who couldn't solve one DSA round got selected for OA. How does this make sense? Like, and I did those all on my own with my brain, working brain, logic and all, and I did not get selected. Generally, as in CT round, go just read on internet for alpha prep. Do they pay good? I don't know about them. For what? For that alpha? Those people will be girls. I don't know, bro. They might be. I don't know. I recently switched to Nagaro, but I did all aptitude by ChatGPT, but coding and interview I did by myself. Okay. I think it's because of your hard coding. That doesn't really matter, but I still solved in the first question all 10 by 10 test cases. In the second question, I did 6 by 10. Still, I'm getting goddamn rejected for no reason. Hard coded. अरे तो उस question को मत गिनो यार. Nagaro pays better, bro. Yeah, they paid for the same role. They paid 12 LPA in DTU, but in our college, they were like our colleges, so we'll only pay 6 LPA. What's your if you're comfortable, Vipul Rana, can you give me a pay scale of your right now? Hard code हुआ था in that Nagaro OA. Yeah, I hard coded जो sample test cases थे ना उसे ही hard code कर दिया उससे मेरे 2 test case run हो गए थे. Damn, they do these things. What things, bro? What things? 18. Bro, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. What do you mean? What is that crying emoji? What is that crying emoji? 18 is definitely not bad at all. अरे मैं लीड कोड का पूछ रहा contest. Bro, just rewind the stream a bit and you can see I almost cried. I did not hard code, I couldn't solve it. I solved it 2 minutes after the contest ended. I didn't know they had more budget. I would have asked for more. With 3.5 years. Yeah, that's good, bro. That is good pay, in my opinion. Very good pay. Why the worst companies are the toughest problem? They want to hire candidate master while paying you peanuts. Literal peanuts. अरे मैं लीड कोड का पूछ रहा कॉन्टेस्ट या रोहन is again getting a timeout. Bro, my friends whose coding in dev is worse than me got 21-22. How exactly? This must have been during campus placements. In campus placements, it's all about luck. But after that, oh, so they negotiated if you provide them another offer letter. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, offer shopping. That is crazy. Some even showed fake offers, and they work. Fake offers work. Offer shopping. That is crazy. Okay, Vipul, I think you can give me an advice here. What do you think about going in a not so development role? Like I'm getting an analyst role in a company that's paying me good. That's paying me good, but the role is of an analyst. Should I take it? Should I take it? Okay, ratings got updated. Did they? I still don't want to check it, but okay. Let's check it, bro. Weekly contest 481. Let's check the ranking. It's probably 7,200. Who the fuck just said ratings got updated and I see 7.7k again? Like, bro, you're trolling me to the max today. Why the fuck would you want me to look at this goddamn rating again and again? Oh, it's high. Yeah, Highest Gaming, you deserve a timeout. I forgot question mark was asking. Nah, you have. Bro is again going in a 10-second timeout for this. If it's just a designation, you can take it because it depends on the company. Yeah, it's a product based company, okay, and the exact role is a technical analyst. Exact role is a technical analyst. Even for analyst, many gets development project. No, we won't get development project. The best I can get is like let's say automation engineer. We don't get a development project. It's a technical analyst role. It's a product based company, and it pays me very good. Don't see the rating. Yeah, I won't. I won't. Stipend. Let my offer letter come, then I'll reveal everything. I'm just waiting for my offer letter. Yeah, technical analyst. Technical analyst. Hmm. That's my role. Okay, yeah. Do we just end it now? Now that we have ruined our Sunday. Yeah, we have ruined our Sunday. Let's end it. It's 10:17. You look like Gorish Baliga. Who is that? I hope that's a very smart individual. Baliga. Gorish Baliga. Who is this? So bro is a DSM enter and I look like him. Do I? I don't think so. He's in Google and I'm unemployed. I wish I was like him. I did not look like him. I don't care if I look like him. I wish I become like him. He's in Google. First week at Google. He started at software engineer at Google. Bro, what is it from a good college? Because I need to cope. I need to cope. Software engineer at Rubrik. Master at Code Forces. Yeah, there's no substitute to hard work. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay, he's from a bad college. He got a Google intern. He became an educator. Bro, he's at a level I can never reach. Gorish Baliga. Let's connect with him. Let's connect with him, bro. Bro, where do you live? Let's meet up. I live in West Delhi. Bro, to be honest, if you really want to work on web dev, then look for other opportunities. I just want money. Vipul, bro, I just want money. But in money is good and you're okay with any tech stack, then go for it. It's a more of a client facing role. Rubrica International Master on CF, yeah, it makes complete sense. By the way, from which company you got the offer? Bro, see, the point is, I'm waiting. DM me on Discord, I'll tell you on DM, but in public, I'll only tell after I get my offer letter. No, he rejected. He works at Rubrik. भाई आज कितने हुए bro? Don't ask. ये जले हुए नमक मत छिड़को भाई. Yeah, I don't even want to tell. दो हुए and I could solve the third question 5 minutes after the contest ended. Did you try fourth? No, not yet. Send your request on LinkedIn. Okay, I'll accept it. I'm at Janakpuri. Let's meet up. You're at Janakpuri, bro. Connect over Discord. Heist Gaming. Are you in the server? Connect on LinkedIn. Yeah, I'll connect, bro. I'll connect on LinkedIn if you send a request. बंद कर दो stream back tomorrow. Yeah, oh yeah. See this guy. Every contest that I give, I see a post from this guy. He is crazy level. Nice problem. All we want to focus is only in bad position since we do not need to worry about another position. If a particular value appears in nums, okay, I'll read about it later. Let's accept my network request. Vipul Rana, senior engineer at Nagaro. Senior engineer. Bro, get out. Aditya, Krish, yeah, let's just accept everybody. Hmm. Yeah, just connect over my Discord or LinkedIn so that we can like chat in DMs. Okay. Try to solve fourth it's a night problem. Okay, well, I tried binary lifting and lowest common ancestor on fourth problem, but TLE. I should study subtree now. Okay. Hmm. Right. So that's it for today. Bad contest, bad day, bad performance, bad weekend. I'll go have dinner. I'll go have breakfast now. I hope kuch acha bana hai. That's it. Bye bye. Thanks to all those who joined. Bye bye.